Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello. My name is Ellen. I am a creative mom who finds effective and budget-friendly ways to run a household. And today I'm going to be sharing with you the process and products that I use to clean my deep jetted bathtub. Now, if you have a jetted bathtub, you know that it can be pretty difficult to clean, especially if you are vertically challenged like me. I'm not a very tall person. It is very difficult for me to get into the bottom of the tub. Here, I'll demonstrate. Oh, so glad that I don't have to clean my tub like that. But what I do have to make cleaning my tub a little bit easier is this guy. He is a shower and bath scrubber with a very long handle. Now you can adjust this to make it shorter or longer as needed. Because I am vertically challenged, mine is as long as possible. And all you have to do to use this little sucker is to spray whatever cleaner you have into your tub and then use this to scrub. So for step one, here I'm just spraying some of my cleaning product into my tub, and then I'm going to use the scrubber, and it really just gets the dirt and grime off very easily. This thing really is such a lifesaver. And in step two, I'm going to fill my tub up with some super hot water. So I don't do this every time I clean my tub, but this is a video about deep cleaning, and so I wanted to include this in this video. And that is whenever I am doing a deep clean of my tub, I always try to clean out the jets because I do have a jetted tub. And my favorite way to do this is to fill it up with really hot water, and I'll throw a couple of these in there, and these are just dishwasher pods. I think this is the Cascade brand, but there are different brands you could use. It really doesn't matter. But I'll throw these in there into the really hot water in my bathtub and then run the jets to kind of clean out those jets so that the jets can be nice and clean. So step number three, I'm just adding these Cascade pods in there. And my tip for you is to make sure to set a timer between 10 and 15 minutes because I have in the past forgotten that I had the jets running. So if you set yourself a timer, it makes it easier to remember so that you don't have your jets running for, too long of a period of time. And in this step, I'm just going to use my scrub brush to let the drain out because remember, this is really hot water and I'm trying not to burn my hands. But I'm just going to go ahead and drain the tub. You can see the water is really kind of murky like, and that's from the dish pods getting into the jets. And then as it's draining, I'm just kind of starting step number 4, which is to wipe out any excess dirt that's left. When the tub is filled with water, sometimes there's a little bit of, yuck at the bottom of the tub. So I'll just like to wipe that out so that we have a nice clean look. And this is the finished product. Nice, clean tub. And that is it, you guys, for today's video. As you can see, cleaning your tub is a pretty simple and easy task. And if you follow these 4 steps that I've given you, it's going to be quite simple for you. If you enjoyed this content, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you're interested in seeing more how-to videos, please leave me a comment down below because I would love to have some suggestions on things that you might like to see in a how-to video. Give me some suggestions. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, please consider subscribing. I'm always looking forward to sharing new ways that this mama tries. Now that my bathtub is all ready and it's all nice and clean, I am going to prepare a nice warm bath for myself. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!